Very good morning. Really happy to see all my friends and collaborators and well-wishers and all those who share the vision of a Viksit Bharat together. The name Mahakolab, as we see, is basically starting with Maharashtra as a state to start with this year, 2025. And collab, all we know that it's collaboration. It also incidentally aligns with the location where World Trade Center is, there's Kolaba. So it came together that way. So the first collaboration started here. So the entire theme of this year's event, and we would wish to make this as an IP, maybe every 6 months to this event, focusing many other states as well, focusing Northeast, focusing Kashmir, because Mumbai is one of the center stage for economy and growth and technology and innovation. So that's why we think, apart from Delhi, Mumbai has a special place in the country. And of course, World Trade Center is a leader in this particular position, and that's why the collaboration aims to celebrate Viksit Bharat, focusing on 3 themes. One is circularity. We all know that there is a need of the hour where we embrace circularity, we celebrate circularity. We always give a second chance to the various mediums, including textile, including plastic, including all the scrap, which we are throwing day in and day out. So circularity is the need of the hour, and that's why it is one of the biggest component of the Mahakolab. The second initiative goes towards sustainability, which is aligned to circularity. That how do we embrace innovation, technology and multiple other things which focuses sustainability of the country, of the state, of the humankind in whatever we do. And last is of course the creativity, because we personally feel at TESEL that livelihood is really important. And livelihood is one journey which takes people ahead, especially the last mile. So considering this in mind, I'll just in a minute focus on what is the Mahakolab going to offer next 2 days. It started with inaugurating the Bin It to Spin It initiative at the SBI Foundation location and outside here, where across Navi Mumbai we are implementing a very big project, first of its kind, and maybe this project will take Navi Mumbai ahead of Indore in the Swachhata surveys, fingers crossed. By the way, I belong to Indore, so for me it's a stiff competition, whether Navi Mumbai should come or whether Indore should come. So that actually decides my maiden state and the post-marriage state. Second, we also saw the Atlas University collaborating with their students, because there are young minds out there, and we want to give them a message that working for circularity, using less of clothes, giving them a second chance, not moving very strongly with the fast fashion is important. So there are a few installations out there. Then there is this entire carnival going, where we are promoting local brands, local grown artisans, local grown women groups who will be opening their products and their hearts out to you. Go there and please encourage them. Then we have a session going on amidst here. There are fireside chats, there are panel discussions, there are showcasing on women's security. None other, Rael Padanse and her team has come, and multiple topics would be discussed. We also have a special initiative to be inaugurated maybe after 1 o'clock. There is this Arohan Skill Center which we have collaborated with the World Trade Center, where we want to train master trainers in multiple things, be it tie-dye, be it block print, be it circularity, be it how to do exports, be it how to be on ONDC. So there are multiple themes which the last mile and the younger generation have to embrace, and the Arohan Skill Center will be running year-round lot of training centers in collaboration with the collectorate, in collaboration with multiple universities, so that a new batch of women keeps coming out and become master trainers and extend the livelihood opportunities to them and many others. After that, we have a special sessions mostly in the evening. There are 3 fashion shows, and I'm really happy to talk about them. The first fashion show would be today, where we are focusing all the fabrics and garments which are thrown, and the same fabrics we'll be using as a part of fashion industry, and lot of lovely garments you will be seeing, and young student be walking the ramp out here. And tomorrow there's a very special session, again a fashion show, where a lot of differently able young adults and men would be walking, men and women, coming from Jai Vakil and Om Creation. These both organizations have been working with them almost 40 to 50 years now. And I'll be really surprised, I was really surprised by this thing that they are walking on a fashion show for the first time in their life. So it made me so sentimental that, I mean, why don't people give them a chance? I mean, maybe we are the first ones to give them the chance. And they requested that can their parents join? I said, why not? It's such an honor for their parents to come and clap and see the bright spots in the eyes of the children and men who are walking, men and women, coming from a differently abled background. So there is a mixed basket around. I hope you all enjoy and collaborate and support and network. Lot of B2B meetings can happen. We are here to support you. The entire World Trade Center team is here to support all of you. And we really wish that we make this even a success. If I don't get a chance, I would really thank all the councillors here to come on a very short notice and really honor us. And we look forward for your support always, because there is always a South-South learning and the collaboration which we can do it, because there are many things which you are doing right out there, many things we are doing right here. So there is always a scope to learn and understand each other. So we look forward to this opportunity, not only for these 2 days, but a continued support from all of you, and where we can actually do a lot of exchanges, because I have visited Mexico. It has a lovely handicraft laid out there. Even the other countries, even Spain has a huge setup of handicraft. So it would be nice to collaborate and learn from each other. Thank you for coming, and thank you for Rael. Please come. We love to have you. And I give the mic to Priya to take it. Thank you.
As I keep saying that this is a perfect alignment between World Trade Center Mumbai and Mahakolab, because the ideologies matches so much together. We're talking about sustainable environment, and that's what even World Trade Center Mumbai stands for. Now we will have a very strong proponent of trade and industry with us, Dr. Vijay Kalantri. Sir, can you please come and give us words of wisdom?
Good morning. First of all, let me compliment Madam Megha Pansalkar and TSER team on this organizing such a good event. Megha, as we said, that we are always with you in World Trade Center and All India Association of Industries to help you and support you wholeheartedly for any of your events, any of the functions, and any of the initiatives which you take. That I can assure you, and I am assuring in front of all my friends. And I am very happy that some of our consul generals have been able to make it. Our Dean, Mr. Martin, and his colleagues and friends from the consulate, and they all, Swiss is very famous in textiles. Swiss textiles we talk about. We talk about Jack. We get one of the best textile machineries from there. So Egypt is famous, Egyptian cotton we talk about. So like Sri Lanka we talk about. So every country has its own specialization. And I think you can also collab with all these countries as a partner and on technology and new initiatives which you can do in times to come. I am very happy that the artisans in next 2 days, all the events which you are going to have and the various initiatives you have taken to organize fashion show and also get together and also educating them on what to do and not to do. This is a very tough job. It is like skill development or vocational education or whatever you call it as a part of. But this is something which needs to be done from time to time. And whoever is supporting you, sponsors as well as the diplomatic community, it's a great thing because everybody wants to do something, but they need a right person. They need a right person like you, Megha ji. That somebody who does well, people are ready to support. See, our textile commissioner, Madam Rup Rasi is here. Who is a better person than her in textiles? And you know, textile commissioner is in charge of all the textile in India. Very few people know that she is a very powerful lady. Doesn't show that, but I know because I am a man from textiles, so I know what is textile commissioner. Earlier we used to every day morning, whenever I wanted some quota, license, something, we used to go and sit in the textile commissioner's office and say what we need and what to do. And their small recommendation would have helped us in many ways. So what all the constituents are with you, and when you do some good work, the finance is never a problem, because any contribution from any side is always there, but it's the initiative. So with these few words, I don't want to speak much, but I can tell you that we all are part of you, and we'll all work with you and support you. And thanks all of you for coming, and thanks the team of World Trade Center led by Rupa and Akruti, Priya, Sangeeta, all these friends who have been every day see that any event or any good cause, they help and support. So thank you very much and all the best.